Stop buying skincare product blindly. If you go to buy a skincare product, check the product ingredients. Can this product work for my skin concerns? Your skin concern can be acne, it can be hyperpigmentation, it can be maybe spots, it can be aging skin, it can be facial redness. Anything that you want to tackle, any problem at all your skin is projecting. First of all, check, can this product solve this problem? If it cannot be able to solve it, please leave the product. No matter what your customer is telling you. So sometimes they can even want to tell you, do you know more than me? They can want to like brainwash you. Don't agree. Oh. Check the ingredients. If the ingredient does not tally with your skin concerns, please don't buy. And there's something you should also know. Many skin concerns have roots, have a starting point. It started from somewhere. It's either maybe you're having issues with your skin barrier, or maybe you have low hydration. And there's something with the skin barrier. No matter the kind of skin concerns you have, no matter how expensive a product is, if you have not tackled that skin barrier issue, it will not work, no matter how expensive the product is. So please, anytime you want to tackle any skin concern, figure out if your skin barrier is okay before trying to tackle anything. Okay? Now, before we go into the main thing, there are several things that we should know before we go to buy a skincare product. The first thing is your skin type. You must know what your skin type is. Is it oily? Is it dry? Is it combination? Is it normal skin? People that have oily skin already know your skin is just really oily. People that have dry skin, the skin is dry. People that have combination skin have a combination of both dry and oily skin. The oily skin is always around their T-zone, which is their forehead like this, and their T-zone. It's called the T-zone, your forehead and down here. While these areas are dry. If you have a normal skin, it means that your skin is not too oily and it's not too dry. So the reason why you should know your skin type is so that you can know the texture of the kind of product you will buy. There's some products that are only for oily skin. There's some products that are specifically made for dry skin. There are some that you can use if you have combination skin. So, but the reason why you should know that, as I said earlier, is because you need to know the texture. You should determine the texture of product you will buy. After finding out your skin type, now is now the skin concerns. If you have maybe you have acne, what are the ingredients that should be in the product you're buying? If you have oily acne prone skin, you should know that ingredients like salicylic acid should be in your routine. Niacinamide should be in your routine. Benzoyl peroxide, that's if you have inflammatory acne. That's acne, those acne that are very red and painful. You should know that benzoyl peroxide should be in your routine. Sometimes retinoids. Okay. Now, if you have dry skin, what should be in your routine? You should have something like ceramides in your routine. You should have humectant like glycerin hyaluronic acid. This should be inside the product you're using. If it's not there, please don't buy. If you have aging skin, what should be in my routine? What should I have that I should be using constantly to make sure that this concern I'm having is being tackled? Example, an aging skin. You should have retinol in your product. You should have ceramide. You should have antioxidant. This should be in your routine. When I talk about antioxidant, I'm talking about things like vitamin C, vitamin E, green tea extract and the rest. These things should be in your routine. So that's what I was just trying to let you know. If you know that you have skin concerns, please follow this through. Now, as a beginner, you just want to tackle the skin concerns. The basic thing you should have in your routine first should be a cleanser, a moisturizer, and a sunscreen. That's the basic thing you should have. But before tackling any of these skin concerns, you must first of all find out if your skin barrier, as I said earlier, is damaged. If it is damaged, please don't touch any actives until you have fixed it. Yes, because if you try to fix it, it will go worse if you just use active without figuring out if your skin barrier is impaired. So, as I said earlier, fix your skin barrier. When you have done that, you can now start introducing products that have these actives and you use it one after the other. For example, you have acne. Normally, your normal routine should be cleansing, moisturizing, and sunscreen. Now, you want to tackle acne. And I told you that if you want to tackle acne, actives like salicylic acid should be in your routine. As a beginner, I was always say you should start with um, face wash that contains salicylic acid so that you don't disrupt your skin barrier. It's just like you're introducing it to an active that you had never used before. If you've started using salicylic acid before, you can just go into using toners or serums. But if you have never used it before, start with a face wash. I always say start with a face wash that contains that active so that your skin can get used to it before jumping into using toners or serums because your skin could purge, you could come down with irritations, but this will almost like prep your skin before using the main thing. Okay, so if you have known this, your problem has reduced. Now, I need you to know something. I need you to be patient and to be consistent with whatever skincare product you're going to be using. It's not the one that you will use today. You forget 2, 3 days and say, oh, then that's when you now remember that you need to use a skincare product. Anything that will work will thrive with consistency. Please, you have to be consistent and you have to be very patient, because for you to start a certain result from this kind of product, it can take, let's say, a month to 2 months before you start seeing results. So please, these timelines, 1 to 2 months, at least 2 skin cycles before you can start seeing results. Okay, so please, I just wanted to share this and I hope that you're able to get value from this.